full self-driving in the 2024 Tesla Cybertruck Cyber Beast. And I gotta say, it's actually really cool. This is crazy. It's really good. Like, we went through some like tight like corridors with some things on either side of the road up there, and it went right through the middle just fine. Like, this is pretty nice.
It'll stop by itself and it signals by itself, does all of it, right?
Yeah. So it's taking us to our parents' house right now, my parents' house. And you have to turn on the signal there.
Be a good way to train teenage drivers.
So it stops at the stop sign. Let's see if it creeps up. Okay. And we're going. Woo!
Wow. And how did you activate this?
So you just put in the address in the screen, in the navigation, and then once you're in, I think you can start it from park, but I had it in drive, and I just pressed this on the steering wheel, this wheel, just press down on it, and it activates, and off you go. So really
That's
easy.
it.
Yeah.
And you have a constant rear view
Yeah.
camera going because that's your rear view mirror.
It's blocked when the tonneau cover is closed.
Wave hi, guys.
Hi.
How do you like this?
Oh, I like it.
It's good.
Yeah.
So we
Very
fit all
interesting.
3 kids back there. There's definitely not as much room as what's in our Ram 1500. But you guys comfortable back there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's, you know, it is more compact, but too bad they couldn't utilize this 3-foot
I know,
dash to
there's a ton of
give
space up here.
us a little more passenger space in the rear seat. But
Yeah. This is
That's
very
okay.
interesting sensation being driven around automatically.
But boy, the air conditioning works really well, especially with all this glass. You'd think it'd be a lot hotter in here, but it feels good. Do you guys feel good back there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually don't even feel like my sunglasses are totally necessary.
Yeah. I gotta say, the ride is really comfortable. We're in comfort mode.
Yeah, I feel like this is more comfortable than when you were driving yourself.
Well, I had it in beast mode, so now we're in comfort. So the beast mode firms up the steering and the suspension settings, but right now we're just in comfort.
Wow.
And it is really comfortable.
I think Amy likes this car because she's almost the farthest.
Yeah, it's quiet.
They're just being a little too
Can you see around this corner? Ah, okay.
I know, that's a
Okay.
little frightening, but no,
It's crazy. It did it.
Okay, we'll see if it brings us. We're in the home stretch here.
I wonder if it'll bring us into the driveway.
I know,
or just
that's what
like
I'm
to
curious
to
about.
The front of the home, or
Does it automatically put itself in park? We're gonna find
I
out.
guess we'll find out.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely a very unique vehicle, obviously, because it's, you know, the styling is unique, but everything about it is. If you're familiar with Tesla, then
Slight turning force to steering wheel.
if you're familiar with Tesla, then this probably won't feel too foreign to you, but there's just a lot of quirks and oddities that you'll get used to. Not bad, just different.
Okay, here you go.
So here we are turning the corner to my parents' house.
It definitely keeps the speed limit too.
Yeah, it's
so
very safe.
as the car behind
These
us
people
found
are
out.
waving to us, that's fine.
All right, we're
so
coming up on
we're
our destination.
approaching, and
What happens?
I don't know. Oh, it's going. Okay, here we go. Side in front of the road.
Oh,
Oh, all right.
and is it parking? Ah,
So it's in drive still, it looks like.
so you have to put it in park.
Tap that for park, and
We did it. We made it. Completely self-driving down
so
there,
cool.
huh?
I don't know if I could do it myself, but
I'm getting
Cybertruck's pretty cool.
Okay.